Hi, I'm Cole. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a deep clean on your laundry dryer to clean out the dryer vent duct behind the dryer all the way to the outside. This small brush can be used to clean out the lint trap on your dryer. A larger brush like this with a flexible wire can be used into the back of the dryer and clean out that part of the vent. This one with a semi-rigid pull, kind of almost like tent poles, can be used to clean out a longer run of duct. Connect the poles together as needed. This is a flexible crevice tool attachment to be connected to a shop vac or vacuum cleaner. It's going to be used to clean out the lint trap inside the dryer, and you can buy a set with various attachments to attach to different sizes of vacuum hoses. If you do want to do it yourself, I'll put links in the description so that you can buy these tools that I showed you. I'd recommend wearing a dust mask while you're doing this. So I usually start with the lint trap, of course. And then I'll use my flexible crevice tool inside the give it a good brushing. Your lint trap might also be in here instead of like this one is up top. Remove the vent from the back of the dryer or the duct, like so. And I can use this flexible big brush to kind of bring this out. Push it in as far as it'll go. Clean up the area behind there too while I'm at it. This is a good measure. I'll try to see if I can put this one up there. Make sure this flex duct is clean as well. There's no holes or leaks in it, or else it should be replaced. They're pretty cheap and easy to replace, so it's a good time to do it while you're cleaning. Then on the outside I have these plastic louvers. You can bend them just a little bit and pop them out, just like so. Then I can run this in. There. There. All right. Now connect this all back together. Let it blow any of the loose dust and lint out. See. All right, it's working good again. This one is quite special. You can see how full this one is. It's got almost fully blocked with lint. All that lint just in that little bit of pipe there. Whoo-wee! So what I'm going to do is replace all that ductwork and reroute it so that it's a shorter distance. And also I'm going to install a dryer vent booster fan. You can see that cleaning a dryer is usually pretty easy, although some cases can be challenging. Sometimes it's hard to reach the outlet of a dryer vent if it's up high, maybe on the roof or something like that. Sometimes there's a bird's nest inside a vent. That's a difficult situation. You can probably do it yourself. I'd say give it a try. And if not, let me know. I can do it for you.